everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. My name is Kate. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I'm so happy you are here. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving. So this is gonna be my room tour video. I definitely wanted to get this video up for you guys because I was so excited to film it and I've been loving the way my room has come out. I recently moved about a month and a half ago, almost 2 months. It's not completely finished, like I still want to put something above my bed and like few little things on the wall here and there. So I hope you enjoy this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's get started. So this is my room when you first walk in. It's very white, so if you're not a fan of white and neutral colors, then you probably would hate my room. For me personally, I just love neutral colors. I don't like bold colors for my room. Basically just white, black, and anything neutral. I will start over here with my dresser. So this is an overview. I don't remember where it's from. I'm not exactly sure because I've had it for quite a while now, but it's just a plain white dresser. It has 4 drawers on each side, which is amazing because I have a lot of stuff. I'll start with the top of my dresser. So this picture frame is from HomeGoods and I just love it. I just think it's so minimalistic. It's so beautiful. I just love it. So I just have it sitting on top of my dresser. And then I have this vase, which is from Target. And then I have some dried wheatgrass, which is from the grocery store actually. So I just have that in there. My favorite candle at the moment, which is Spice Cider by Anthropologie. I love this candle. I talked about it before on my channel, so I'm not gonna go on a whole tangent, but yes, I love the jar of this. So pretty. It's so elegant looking. It smells amazing. And then I just have a black candle wick trimmer that is from Amazon. And then I just have this crystal geode, whatever you want to call it, thing from HomeGoods. I just think it adds a nice touch. I get a lot of things from HomeGoods. That will be a trend in this video. And then I just have my jewelry box, which is from West Elm. I just love this jewelry box because it's such a good size and it holds everything and more, because I just keep like extra stuff in these 2 little drawers, and then my jewelry is in the top. It just opens up, and then on top of here in a little dish, which is from Amazon. I just keep like my everyday jewelry in here, like my rings, some necklaces, and then my Jennifer Fisher hoops that I've been wearing like every day recently. My Laneige lip masks. I have my Vanilla Woods perfume, another perfume. I don't even know how to pronounce it, but it smells really good. It's from Sephora. My deodorant, Coconut and Vanilla by Native. This perfume is from Anthropologie. And I just have another Laneige product. This is like my everyday stuff that I grab before I leave, like as I'm getting ready. My deodorant, perfume, all of that stuff. And then this is my lamp. This is from Target. I just think it's very cute. I love the design. I love the color. On the bottom, I have all of my Vogue magazines. This Coach book, that is from HomeGoods. And I don't know why I put those under my lamp. I just think it looks kind of cute. So yeah, that is my dresser. And then moving on to this corner, you guys are gonna be like, what is in that cage? So I actually have a hedgehog. Funny story. I'm just gonna flip the camera while I talk about this. So I actually have a hedgehog, and he's like buried in this little corner. I'm kind of glad that he's in this corner because you can't really see him like when you walk in my room. So yes, I have a hedgehog. His name is Carlos, and I actually got him from my friend because we didn't really have the time for him anymore. So I was like, I've always wanted a hedgehog. Like, I don't know why. I just think they're so cute, and I've never, like, where do you even buy a hedgehog? I don't even know. I took him from her. He is the cutest thing. They are nocturnal, so they sleep all day, so kind of boring. They're up all night, so it's kind of like a weird pet to have. I'm not gonna take him out right now just because he gets really mad when I disturb him from his slumber because it's only 1 o'clock. This is like such a random part of my room, but yes, I have a hedgehog. I just love animals. My mom has worked in an animal hospital for like 30 plus years. We love animals. He's in that cage just chilling. And then I'll move on to this section of my room. Also, this is on my wall because a TV used to be on the wall. I just haven't like had the time to take that off. Ignore that. But moving on to over here, so this is my desk area, and I guess I'll start with the windows. So these poles are from Target, and then my curtains are from Amazon, which I I didn't think I was gonna get curtains, but I think they had like a nice touch to my room. I have them over here too. I just think they look really nice. I just wanted something like simple, plain, just like sheer white curtains. Yeah, so this is my desk area. This whole thing is from IKEA and it's actually like separate. So these are the Alex drawers, and then the table like rests on the drawers, and then it only has like one leg over there. Also, I put some marble contact paper on top, so no, it did not come like this. I will link that for you because it looks really nice, and I'm honestly impressed with myself because I did a very good job applying it, since contact paper can be like a pain. But yeah, I just think it adds like a cute touch. And also the only reason I put it on was because I scratched the shit out of my desk and it just looked so bad, and I just like didn't end up buying a new desk. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna buy some contact paper and hopefully that'll solve the issue. So for now, in these drawers I just have a bunch of junk, and I'm not even gonna open them because they're just so messy. I have like makeup and stuff in there, my camera equipment, chargers and everything like that. This drawer is so annoying at the bottom because something fell behind it and I can't reach it, so it just doesn't close. And I have OCD and it just annoys me, so we'll just ignore that. So this desk is from IKEA, like I said. Then I just have my little makeup mirror. And I have my notebooks and everything. I have my AirPods. I have a little notepad which I write like my to-do list. And then I just got this new journal which I think is so cute. This is from Target, so I just love it. It's so cute. And then I just have my iPad. This is like my little work station slash makeup station. And then I have my laptop and then my phone on the charger. And then this chair is so old. I don't even know where it's from. It's really, really ugly. I'm not keeping it. I'm in search for a new chair, even a new desk. Like, I kind of want to replace this whole section just because I feel like I want like a little bit bigger of a desk, and I definitely want like more storage because I have a lot of stuff. Definitely getting a new chair soon, but for now, that is my desk area. My bed frame is from CB2 and it's like really low. I honestly kind of like it, makes my room look bigger. I'll lift this up. So this is the frame. It's just a metal white frame that is from CB2. The headboard is separate, so I got that from Amazon actually. I just think it adds a nice touch to my room. So the headboard and my bed frame are separate. This is from Amazon, and then my bed frame is from CB2. These throw pillows, these two big white pillows right here, are from Target from a while ago, so I don't even know if they're in the store anymore. And then this pillow is from Home Goods, so I have a lot of pillows on my bed, as you can tell. And then my bedding is from Parachute, so this is the linen duvet cover, and I have pillowcases that go with it, and I also have this sheet that goes with it. So I have the whole entire set from Parachute. So that is where my bedding is from, and it's so comfortable. It is a bit on the pricier side, but the quality of it is so good. I love it. It's so comfortable, and I also love the look of linen. Like, I just think it looks very cool. And inside I have a down comforter that is from Target, and the combination of this, oh my god, it's literally like sleeping on a cloud. I love my bed so much. Going to bed is like one of my favorite parts of the day. Over here is my closet. This is where I keep the rest of my clothes. I have some jeans, my shoes, my ring light, a yoga mat. Also, I have like my books up there that I was talking about in one of my videos. So yeah, that's just like a little bit of my closet. On the back of my door, I just have this 4-hook door hanger thing from Target, and I just have like my sweatshirts, this bag from Aloe, like my everyday sweatshirts, I guess, because I wear a lot of sweatshirts. Moving on over here, this is one of my favorite parts of my room. This mirror is so beautiful, and this is from Urban Outfitters, believe it or not. I just think it's so pretty. It's like such a cool looking mirror. It's just like a wooden frame that's painted white, obviously, and it's just like huge, and I love it. My nightstand is from Target. I'm not the biggest fan of it. I just kind of picked it up when I moved because I didn't have anything. This might go, I don't really know. Yeah, it's here for now. On top of my nightstand, I have my 5-minute journal that I've talked about, and the book I'm reading, which is 10% Happier, and my little chapstick. This stuff is so good, you guys. I just mentioned this in my most recent video. It's so good, so I just keep that by my bed. And then this sunrise slash sunset lamp is from Amazon. This thing is so awesome. I love it. And then I have my little rock salt lamp from Brookstone. And then the candle that I'm burning right now is called Frosted Evergreen by Yankee Candle, and it just smells like a Christmas tree. Oh my god, I just swapped out my fall candle because yesterday was Thanksgiving, so now it's like full-on Christmas mode. So I just swapped that out for a Christmas candle. Moving down here, I have some books, my sound machine, which I talked about in my night routine video. I am a baby and I need a sound machine to go to sleep. I don't know why, but I just cannot go to sleep if it's silent. I need sound to go to sleep. So this thing is really good. It's from Amazon. I'll put it on for you so you can hear it. So it just sounds like this. It just sounds like you're honestly in an airplane cabin. Like, that's what it reminds me of. You can turn it louder or have it quiet, but yeah, this is like, I need this to go to sleep. And then I just have my Felix Gray blue light glasses for when I'm like sitting in my bed on my phone. Obviously, I don't want to ruin my eyeballs. Down here, I don't even know why I have these down here, but I just like the boxes because they look really pretty, and like I don't like being one of those types of girls who's like, oh my god, look at my designer boxes. But I don't know, I just think they're pretty. I guess they're kind of like a decoration. And that is basically my entire room, you guys. I need help looking for something that will go above my bed because it's just, I feel like my room is so plain right now. Like, I feel like I need some like floating shelves over there or something. I definitely want something over my bed because it is really plain. Like, I'm not gonna lie, my room is really plain at the moment, and I think I just need something like a big frame or like artwork or something above my bed. I mean, I love it. I love my room, but it definitely needs some finishing touches. That is my whole room tour for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Everything will be linked down below if I can find it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all had a good Thanksgiving, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel because I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. That would make me super duper happy. So again, thank you for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!